Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This video will guide you on how to fix a Galaxy M31 that would no longer turn on for some reason. Once the phone no longer powers on, it's possible that such a problem is caused by either a firmware issue or there's a problem with the hardware. Whatever the case may be, you will need to troubleshoot your device, and here's what you need to do about it. First solution, force restart your phone. The first thing you need to try doing is the forced restart. Because if it's just a minor firmware issue, then this procedure is enough to make your device work again. To do so, simply press and hold the volume down button and the power key for 10 seconds simultaneously. This often forces the device to turn on even if the firmware has crashed. If you happen to make the logo show on the screen, then release both keys and wait until the device finishes the reboot. However, if your phone is still not responding even after doing the forced restart, then try doing the same procedure a few more times before moving on to the next solution. Second solution, charge your phone and do the forced restart. The other possibility that you have to rule out is that the battery may have been drained and that the firmware crashed just before the juice ran out. If that's the case, then your phone neither turns on or charges. But don't worry, you can fix it by doing the following. Plug the power adapter to a working wall outlet. Use the original charging cable to connect your phone to its charger. Give it about 10 minutes to charge regardless of whether the charging sign shows or not. After that, and while the device is connected to the charger, press and hold the volume down button and the power key for 10 seconds. Release both keys if the logo shows on the screen. These are the only procedures you have to do to know if your phone needs to be checked by a tech. So if it still won't respond even after doing this, then that's the time you consider bringing it back to the shop. We hope that this guide can somehow help you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure you enable the notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new videos. Thanks for watching.